Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up hot corners on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Then choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down the left sidebar and choose Desktop and Dock. Scroll to the bottom of the Desktop and Dock settings and click on Hot Corners. You can now choose which action you would like each corner to open. Click Done when you have chosen. You can now push the cursor into the corner to open the action you chose. You can push the cursor into the corner again to undo the action. If you would like to disable a hot corner, you can open the settings again and click on the corresponding corner, and then click the minus icon at the bottom of the list to disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.